at large, my dear professionals, after your successful training, today we are commissioning you so that the Minister of Health receives you for deployment. You are now moving from the Minister of Health or Education to Minister of Health to take care of you. Our institution has played its part, and now it's up to you to play yours. And please go and play your role professionally. Do not hesitate to go and serve in rural areas where majority of our people live and need your services much more. I want to congratulate the Governing Council, the principal, and the staff of this great institution for the good leadership that has enabled the institution to coexist peacefully in this environment. Peacefully. There was a time when every time I would be called upon to come with the people with the guns. Maybe some of you may not have witnessed. There was a time when there was a lot of indiscipline. Let me call it indiscipline. But today, the institute is calm, the institute is well behaved. I saw our state staff dressed like as if they are going to get married today. Very smartly dressed. Nasa, you are really smart, and you are our teachers, our lecturers. Thank you so much. Chairperson and members, because they still need your mentorship. My dear graduates, I thank you for enduring the academic life and coming out as successful health professionals. I'm convinced that you are ready to serve and save lives. I congratulate you upon your achievement, and I want to remind you that graduation marks the completion of only one stage in your career. Some of you are new entrants in the world of work, and I wish you the very best of luck. Those of you who have tested the world of work before, you came to acquire higher skills. I urge you to use the newly acquired skills to improve your professional practice. Ensure that you practice what you have learned with honesty and professionalism. Please, as you move out to the world, be extremely disciplined. Always consult and follow the advice of the principal, the advice of your lecturers, and your seniors in the profession. Be sensitive to the current epidemics and the bad practices. Remember that the nation and your parents have invested quite a lot in you, and they all have hopes. So please don't prepare to disappoint us. Don't let us down. Please be health workers who are reliable, full of ethical values, and committed to serve and save lives. Your profession is nothing without love for humanity. Healthcare systems of our country are being affected by such unethical behavior, like a poor attitude and absenteeism of health, about late coming of professionals, late coming absentees. I want to urge you to desist from these vices and promote the ethics of the health profession. Always, always be there for your patients and save life. Always, whether there is money or not, be there for your patients and save life. Allow me to conclude by encouraging you to read more books and regularly improve your knowledge and skills, because the profession you are taking on, medicine, is dynamic, and the new diseases are being discovered, are coming up almost every day. For you have to do more reading than probably my profession. But even with my profession, I read every day. I don't go to bed before reading something new. That's why I'm praying. That you don't throw away the books now that you have graduated. Keep the book, keep the internet very close and dear to you, and be learning every day. I congratulate you once again and wish you the best in your careers and happy celebrations for God and my country.
Abasawo ab'ekkumin'omukaaga twagala okwebazawo bonna batukwatizzaako naddala Omukama Katonda atuwadde ekyengera eky'abasawo abafunye olwaleero kyenda mu basatu. Ekintu ekyo si kyangu okukitegeera naye otegeera okufungira abantu balimu abalwadde webaza Omukama newebaza naawe bonna ababivuddemu naddala abazadde abasomesa n'obukulembeze bwa institute eno okulaba nti abaana bano bamaliriza emisomo gyabwe mu budde. Njagala okwebaza ennyo obukulembeze obulungi obulabikira mu bintu bingi ebibaddewo olwaleero. Abaana babadde n'empisa nnungi, abaana babadde basomye emisomo gy'ogamba nti tugyetaaga nnyo, era nsaba abayizi baffe tufulumiza olwaleero balowooze nnyo ku ky'okudda mu byalo bajjanjabe abantu baffe kuba abantu baffe basinga obulwadde bali mu byalo ate nga n'obusobozi balina butono okugenda mu malwaliro agali mu Kampala. Njagala kubasaba era mbasabye bamanye nti profession yabwe oba omulimu gwe basomeredde ebintu bikyukakyuka buli bbanga. Njagala babeere nti kaseera nabo bagezaawo okulaba nti bakyuka bafuna amagezi amapya bafuna obukugu obupya nga basoma obutawummula kuba nange nsoma buli lunaku nabo njagala basoma buli lunaku ali n'okunsinga kubanga ogakola ku bulamu. Baagaliza okusanyuka obulungi neebaza n'omukulu w'essomero lino bayita mukyala Nassali olw'okulitereezanaliza ku mutindo fenna kati gwe twenyumirizaamu. Basobola okukyalako omusomero lino mujje mulikyalire mulabe good leadership kyakola okukanya institutions nga zino.